Hi, my name is Chuck Butterfield. I'm the meat manager here at the Saskatoon Co-op on 8th Street. Today, I'm going to be showing how to split a brisket from the flat to the point. When splitting your flat from your point, there's a natural line right here. So you just follow the line. And you'll kind of find a natural seam, and you'll see it kind of naturally starting to come apart. So when you smoke a brisket, the flat is very good for slicing up for sandwiches. The point is used for, it has a lot more fat on it, but it's used for what they call burnt ends, which are super delicious. You'll always have a very large clot of fat right here on every brisket. Just remove that and square it off. Keep a good amount of fat on to ensure moisture through the smoking process, but you want to clean it up a little bit. Okay, so there is your point. That is ready to go. And for the flat, again, just clean it up. You want a good amount of fat left on the cap. So there we have our point and our flat all ready for the smoker. You just put your favorite rub on it and they are ready to go. If you would like this process done for you, come to any of our Saskatoon Co-op food store locations and one of our butchers will happily do it for you.